Does the new Oraimo to stem Byte have what it takes to be your next power bank? Here are a few reasons why you should consider buying it. Oraimo has been providing original and affordable power banks to the African market so far, and this is the new 10,000 mAh to stem Byte power bank, which is sold at 5,600 naira or $15. It's just like the design of the previous model, but with the addition of the clear power LED display, improvements in total charging speed, and two-way input charging. It's also got a slimmer body which is thinner and more portable than most 10,000 mAh power banks. The build quality is quite solid and elegant. It's made from plastic and has a 3D textured finish with smooth curves at the edges to help provide comfort and increase firm grip while holding it. I also love the three-tone design, from textured to glossy to smooth surfaces, that also prevents smudges and fingerprints. Thanks to the ultra slim body and high density batteries, it is lightweight, which makes it easy to carry to anywhere you want. Nice job, Oraimo. At the bottom are the certifications and specifications, which I will be confirming later in this video. The top houses the 2 output USB-A ports and 2 input ports. It's nice that Oraimo added a USB Type-C input port, which will bring convenience and port durability to most users. Unfortunately, the useful LED flashlight has been removed. At this price, it does not support dual input speed recharging, and so it's only one input port usage at a time. The power LED display at the front is another selling point because it provides a more appealing or convenient way to keep track of the battery status. Just press the button at the side to turn it on and press twice again to turn it off. One of the ways of identifying an authentic power bank is by its usable battery capacity, its real USB charging speeds, and power conversion efficiency. From my tests, I was able to fully charge my 5,000 mAh smartphone battery only once with 20% battery left to spare, thereby making the usable battery capacity to be about 6,500 mAh. The advertised USB input charging power is 10 watts and it took up to 4 hours 30 minutes to fully charge the power bank, which also confirms my conclusion that the usable battery capacity is about 6,500 mAh. But the advertised 10 watt output charging power from both USB-A ports are not exact, but close. From my test, both USB-A ports have an output of 9 watts, which is good. Also, in regards to the advertised dual fast output charging speed, Oraimo did a good job here because you only sacrifice a little charging speed, which is fine. It does get a little hot during this process, but it's nothing to worry about thanks to the multi-protection safety technology. I want to point out that you shouldn't panic if the LED display stays at 99% at full charge, even after many hours of charging. It will eventually reach 100% after some more charging cycles. Hopefully Oraimo fixes this. At the price of 5,600 naira or $15, this is a good deal from Oraimo. But if you are obsessed with faster charging speeds, then the newer Oraimo PD and PD Pro power banks without LED display are available at an affordable price of 6,000 to 7,000 naira respectively. Kindly stay tuned because I'll be testing them later so I can give you my verdicts on them. Let me know what you think of the Oraimo to stem Byte 10,000 mAh power bank in the comment section below. Kindly like this video, share this video, and follow me for more updates like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.